in the morning. We are heading to Armutlu, Yalova, waiting for the ferry. This is where we're gonna go. It's right across the street. We had to came early because it's a rush hour traffic in Istanbul. We are having our breakfast here in a beautiful morning. Birds and cats around us waiting for our ferry. Breakfast sandwich in a flatbread, and I have this recipe too on the channel. We are going with my friend and her daughter, our relatives. 4 girls, 4 ladies. Looking forward to have quality time together. So we are at the Yenikapı Pier. From here you can go to Yalova, Armutlu, Marmara, Avşa Islands and Bursa. It takes around mostly 1 hour to these areas. You can reach to beautiful Marmara Sea, to the seasides and Bursa.
Üzdü ve kırdı.
Geliyorum peşinize.
Tickets, napkins, plastic bottles, wet wipes.
It's been a long time since I last go to the sea. I'm excited, and weather is beautiful. It's like 28, but it's more than that, like 30. We are at the center of the town now. We're gonna do some shopping and then head to Fıstıklı. It's beautiful.
Birincisine bakar mısın?
Allah'ım ya. Aa, bu hamile kedi geldi.
Benzettik yani.
Compared to yesterday, it's very calm right now, the sea. I cannot wait to swim. Beautiful. It's perfect time, really. There is not much people, very calm. You enjoy the sea and the view without crowds. And I love these pine trees. The Fıstıklı means like the pine nut, named from the trees, gives beautiful view, blue and green. Look at all these, they are beautiful. I prayed one day to have my own garden and my own fruit trees. If you have, you are very lucky, blessed.
Telefon mu açacağız?
Arabaları varsa.
Zeytinleri tekrar.
It's sunrise time, 6:30. We did our morning prayer and wanted to watch the sunrise. Unfortunately, it's behind, so we cannot see it, but at least the reflection. Balıkları aldı geliyorlar, söyleyeyim mi size?
Yani videomda oradaki kuşlar, buradaki kuş, oradaki köpek.
In September 1st, they are allowed to begin to fishing again. It's the fishing season right now. I think the ferry just came from the fishing. I wanted to take a look a little bit closer. Ne balığı çıktı bugün? Alabiliyor muyuz? Gel al. Al. Oo, burada da var. Everywhere. Üzerinde yabancı
Sardalya
da-
balığı
Evet.
tek para yapmayan balık. Hamsi balığı gibi değil.
Ya yurt dışında sardalya gidiyor aslında.
Yurt
ama
dışında
burada
gidiyor,
çok
bizim
biliniyor.
burada üretimsel ve aslında tam zamanı
Evet.
şahane ızgarası oluyor. Etle değişmiyor ama gel yiyelim, millet bunu yemiyor nedense.
Evet.
Çoklu bir işimiz yok. Anında denizden çıkıyor, buzluğuna tuzluğuna hemen piyasaya gidiyor.
People are here with their baggages to fill in. Ha? Çok güzel ama poşetin de yok. Ben de yeniyi gördüm geldim.
Al da gel bana bir yerden.
Ha?
Al da gel bunu saklayalım buraya.
Tamam, ne kadar?
Verebilir misin?
Ay. Ay Allah razı olsun.
sen de hadi.
Sağ ol, teşekkür
Izgara yap,
ederim.
değil mi?
Ha?
Izgara yap, ızgara.
Izgara inşallah. Tamam, sağ ol. Dur.
Adres ne?
Hangi YouTube kanalı?
Turkish Food Travel İngilizce.
Türkçeyi konuşamıyoruz ki biz İngiliz.
Yabancılara tanıtıyorum Türkiye'yi.
Oo, gel.
Gittiniz gece
Kaçla gittik? 6 mı 7 mi dedi değil mi?
12 saat. They are asking my YouTube channel to watch. Food. Söylersiniz onlara da. Tamam. Oldu. Beautiful. It's always good to get up early. In today's breakfast we have potato, always tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, olives, cheeses, butter from Trabzon, Zeynep's jam. The lady, she said, why didn't you cook the fish? I said, for breakfast, yes, it would be nice. We will eat it hopefully in the afternoon.
hakkınızı
Helal olsun.
Herkesin yerine bak.
Helal olsun.
Teşekkür ederim.
Rica
Sağ
ederim.
ol. Köy işi. Yine koyun içine.
So she's making tomato paste. She lives behind me. Gigi. We came to the center of the Fıstıklı village. It looks calm right now. Just people sitting. I see dogs taking naps.
Sen bu sen mi?
Everyone is preparing tomato paste in town. Kolay gelsin.
Allah bu damata sade. Biberi kaynattık şimdi şey yapardan kaynatıyoruz.
Güzel.
Bu sade damata şimdi.
Oh, this is beautiful. Ne haber çocuklar? Sağ ol. Burada mı okuyorsunuz? Güzel. Seviyor musunuz köyünüzü?
Cüzdan verir mi? Abla
Alayım.
YouTube kanalı mı?
Evet. Adımla. Bakabilir.
alsan.
Evet.
Tamam takip edeceğim sizi.
Tamam. Selam verebilirsiniz Fıstıklı köyünden.
Selamünaleyküm.
Görüşürüz. Aleyküm selam. Tamam. Ne yapacağım? So this is the center of the town. Ha, beautiful, but it's time to go to the sea.
Falan. Yemek yok zaten. Hı hı.
Evet.
İyi berbat bir de yurt yani. Zorla kalıyor.
It's our last day. We are leaving. It's getting breezy, but it was beautiful. I really loved coming here during September. It wasn't very crowded. The sea was beautiful. I would recommend. It's really, really beautiful. When I return, I'm planning to make some dishes with the sardines. I couldn't cook that much because we were busy with the sea. We usually ate quick sandwiches, lots of menemen, the egg dishes, cold soup with pearl barley that we cooked at home and brought here. The breakfast, of course, Turkish breakfast. We had some mantı also from the frozen section from the market. The pension, I don't know what it is called in English, I'm gonna write here. You can think of like a very basic staying area. It's just a nice place to sleep and some kitchen, very small, but it was enough for us if you just want to swim, do like quick lunch and quick eating. It's nice for a short time. And they have also beautiful houses here. Let me show you around a little bit. It is really nice. Now it's time to catch a ferry.